I have a personalised order that I need to do today, and I just thought I never video these, so I thought I would do a quick video of how I will personalise a wig, and maybe I can help you guys. If a lot of the time, if I've had a wig for a long time and it goes a bit, you know how they can get. Well, I sell these scissors in my Etsy shop and they are just amazing, and I just wanted to give you a few little tips of what you can do, because I might take a really long wig, for example, and chop it up. And with these handy little things, you see how, if you're not a hairstylist, then this really helps to cover up where you've probably done a terrible job. So using these scissors, I sell these in my Etsy shop. It's a little package. You got everything in there that you need. A non-professional can take these wigs to another level. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm gonna chop it about 4 inches. So, where's my comb? Make sure that you've got it all. Just start hacking. 4 inches. Okie dokie. I gather it all together. And I want to get to about here. 4 inches, that's 5, 4. Here we go. Good chunk off the bottom. A nice little hack, if you're going to take some inches off, is chuck it into, this is a really thick wig, so if you can chuck it into a hairband, make it much easier for you. Look how thick that is. Who would kill to have hair like that? Oh, that's a shame. Oh well, we've got wigs for this, haven't we? That's why we've got wigs, people. No problem. Okay, make sure that's all in there. And this is just a rough guide, and you're just going to chop it. And then afterwards, you're just going to make sure it's straight. And I'll show you how, okay? Ta-ta. Okay, fact that state of it. That's fine, because afterwards what we do, now we have pretty much the length that you want. We're going to go round with the scissors and check that it's straight, and of course it is not. So you start always at the back here, and you grab a section in your fingers, making sure you grab the whole section because it's so thick. If you drop any of it, here we go, okay? So look at that, it's very unstraight. Then we're just gonna go over it, straighten it up, okay? So it's straight with your fingers. And you go all along the hair, from the back to the right, from the back to the left, using sections. See, I've cut that straight. Then I'll come along to here, grabbing a little bit of the section I had before, and go again, using the old section as a template. So as you go along, it will all be straight. It will all be straight. Okay? And then once it's all straight, what I'd like to do is go along again, same technique, grab the hair in sections, and then do a really chunky triangle cut. Bang, 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 bang. And that will give you more of a, it won't be so straight at the end. And as if you're not a real hairdresser, a professional hairdresser, then, you know, you're going to get it straight, but you're never going to get it bang on, and you're probably going to be able to see. So if you can do a chunky cut at the bottom, then it will sort of simulate that it's supposed to be like that. You can get away with it much easier. Also, to cut in the bangs at the front, let's come down here. I always give the front a little peel down here. To frame a little bit the face. And just so the fringe isn't just, you know, there. Nothing else. So it's a bit softer. So if you just have a great big fringe and then nothing, you can't even tell. I mean, look, you can't even tell, but it does something. Okay, I'm going to get on with this now.